my question for you, again, Brian A., how long are you going to tolerate being stuck and not having the results you want? How long are you going to tolerate it? Because you've heard this before, I imagine, that there was a dog on a porch of an old country house. A neighbor was walking down the road and heard a dog barking in the distance. And as the neighbor got closer to the house, the barking got louder and louder. And as he got closer to the house, it realized that the dog was like it was like a yelp. And it didn't look like anybody was home. There's no car in the driveway. So the neighbor starts walking up the path to the front door. And it sees this dog that's just like, arr, 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 just like yelping, like in pain. And it's like, what's wrong with this poor dog? And it walks up and it lifts up the dog to see what's wrong with the dog. And it turns out the dog was sitting on a rusty nail. What's the story here? The dog was in pain, but not enough pain to get up and move. It was sitting on the nail, and it just sat on the nail. The dog could have easily stood up and moved to a more comfy spot and stopped yelping. How long are you going to keep on yelping? How long are you going to just say, well, this is the hand of cards life has dealt me. This is just kind of where I'm at. Look, it's complete crap to ever think that you just have to learn to be happy where you are. You should never say, I'm just going to figure out how to be happy with where I'm at, with what I've got. No. If you're in a bad marriage, no, don't just try to learn how to be happy in a bad marriage. Number one step, go fix it. Work on it. Go get help. Go get counseling. And if nothing works, you have to make a change.